Good morning to all. The mechanical operation subject. Our chapter discussion is that filtration and sedimentations. So, previous lecture we discussed the definition of concept of filtration, and then we discussed the types of filtration, which is cake filtration and deep bed filtration. So, the principle of cake filtration, so in which we discuss what is clarifying filters, that is our deep filters, deep bed filters, and cake filters. Okay. So here we discuss the principle of cake filtration, then what is slurry and what is uh, cake. Then we discuss the what is the constant rate filtration and the constant rate and constant pressure filtration. Okay. So the definition of the both of filtration, constant pressure filtration and constant rate filtrations are given below. So now the next topic or today's topic it will be the filter medium or the characteristic of filter medium. The various types of filter medium are available, and among them the characteristic requirement is the given below. So the must be following requirements the filter medium having. First, it should retain the solid to be filtrate given a reasonably clean filtrate. It should be remain the retained जो सॉलिड और द सस्पेंडेड सॉलिड है उसको क्या करना चाहिए, रिटेन करना चाहिए. Which one is not pass, the filtrate is not permit to transport the solid on the filtrate. It should not plug or a blind. The flow rate is not a plug or it is a blind. Low rate of entrapment of solid within intrigues. It should be mechanically strong to withstand the process condition. If there is an working fluid pressure is pressurized is a absolute pressure, then the filtered medium should be withstand the mechanical pressure. It should be resistant to the corrosive actions of fluid. In case of the corrosive material, it should be corrosive resistive. It should be offer little resistance as possible to the flow filtrate. બધાની સરખામણીમાં સૌથી ઓછું રેઝિસ્ટન્સ અંદર હોવું જોઈએ, બરાબર. રેઝિસ્ટન્સ વધારે હોવું ના જોઈએ. It should process ability to discharge cake easily and cleanly. હવે એની અંદર બીજું કેકની જે કેક છે એને ઇઝીલી તમે શું કરી શકવા જોઈએ, ઇટ કેન બી ઇઝીલી રિમૂવ ફ્રોમ ધી ફિલ્ટર મીડિયમ, એટલે કે ત્યાં જ્યાં ફિલ્ટ્રેશન થતું હોય ત્યાંથી ઇઝીલી રિમૂવ થઈ શકવું જોઈએ. It should possess ability to discharge cake easily and cleanly. It should have acceptable resistance to mechanical wear, as per we discussed. It should be cheap compared to the other material. Based on the application, provide the cheapest level or the cheap level filter medium, and it should having a long life. Okay, so these are the mainly the characteristic of the filtration medium. In cake filtration, the filtered medium is frequently a textile, a fabric. ફિલ્ટર મીડિયમ શું હોય છે, ટેક્સટાઇલ ફેબ્રિક્સ છે જે છે કે નાયલોન હોય છે, કોટન હોય છે. ઓકે, Then canvas cloth, wooden cloth, metal cloth of monometal or stainless steel, glass cloth, and synthetic fiber cloth like nylon, polypropylene, etc. are commonly used as a filter medium in an industrial filtration practice depending upon the process condition. For an alkaline slurry, nylon cloth are used, while for acidic slurry and polypropylene cloth are used as a filter medium. Okay. Now, as per we discuss filter medium, then after it is a filter aid. So let's see the concept and what are the major function. So filtration of a slurry containing very finely divided solid or slimy deformable flows is very difficult to do formation of dense impermeable cake that quickly plug the filter media. In such a case, that porosity of cake must be increased to allow passage of the filtrate at a reasonable rate. This is achieved by the adding a filter aid to a slurry before filtration. Filter aid is granular or the definition or the concept is that filter aid is granular or fibrous material which packs to form a bed of very high voidage. Because of this, they are capable of increasing the porosity. They are capable of increasing the porosity of filter cake. એ શું કરે છે? પોરોસિટી જે એના પોરસ મટીરિયલ હોય જે છિદ્રાળું એની ફિલ્ટર્ડ મીડિયમની જે ફિલ્ટર કેક હોય છે એને શું કરે છે? વધારે છે. A filter aid should be of a low bulk density, should be porous, should be capable of forming a porous cake, and must be chemically insert the filtrate. And these are the mainly filter aids method. Adding a filter aid to the slurry before filtration. સૌથી પહેલાં મૂકવામાં આવે છે જ્યારે ફિલ્ટરેશન સ્ટાર્ટ થયું ના હોય એ પહેલાં. Pre-coating, in other words, by depositing a layer of filter aid on the filter medium before filtration. Okay, and these are the rate of filtration affected parameters. So factors should be affecting the rate of filtration. So the rate which the filtrate is obtained in filtration operation, so it depends upon the following factor. Pressure drop across the feed inlet and far side of the filter medium. Second, area of the filtering surface. Third, viscosity of the filtrate. Fourth, resistance of the filter medium and initial layers of cake. And fifth, resistance of filter cake. So the rate of filtration is સૌથી પહેલાં પ્રેશર ડ્રોપ, બરાબર, ઇનલેટ એન્ડ ફાર જે આ ફિલ્ટર મીડિયમ છે ત્યાં એનો પ્રેશર ડ્રોપ કેટલો છે, ઇનસાઇડ ફીડ ઇનલેટનો પ્રેશર ડ્રોપ અને આઉટલેટનો. ઓકે. ધેન સેકન્ડ થિંગ, એરિયા ઓફ ધ ફિલ્ટરિંગ સરફેસ. આપણે જે ફિલ્ટર કરીએ છીએ ફિલ્ટરિંગ, તો એ એરિયા કેટલો છે. વિસ્કોસિટી ઓફ અ ફિલ્ટરેટ. વિસ્કોસિટી ઓફ અ ફિલ્ટરેટ. આ ફિલ્ટરેટ જે મટીરિયલ છે તે મટીરિયલની વિસ્કોસિટી કેટલી છે એના ઉપર પણ ડિપેન્ડ કરશે. resistance of the filter medium and initial layer of cake. હવે બીજું એ કે ફિલ્ટર મીડિયમ દ્વારા લાગતું રેઝિસ્ટન્સ મિનિમમ resistance and initial layer of cake okay, and fifth one is resistance of filter gate. So these are the factors, okay, to be considering in the filtration. Now the types of filtration equipment or the classifications, we can say that. So classify the filtration equipment based per the applications. So filters are generally divided into two major groups based on function or a goal of filtration. First, cake filters, and second, clarifying filters. So the definition of both of are is that a filter that retain appreciable quantities of filtrate solid on the surface of the filter medium are referred as a cake filter. બરાબર, સોલિડ જે છે એ ફિલ્ટર મીડિયમની એક સાઈડ શું થઈ જાય, ડિપોઝિટ થઈ જાય છે, જ્યારે બીજી સાઈડ શું રહે છે, એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ રહે છે. ના, and the clarifying filters that remove small amount of solid to produce a sparkling clear liquids are referred to as a clarifying filters. ખૂબ જ ઓછા પ્રમાણમાં જે સોલિડ ડિપોઝિટ હોય અને એને પણ દૂર કરવાનું હોય છે અને સ્પાર્કલિંગ એકદમ ક્લિયર લિક્વિડ આપણે મેળવવું હોય તો એને એ ફિલ્ટર યુઝ કરીએ તો એને શું કહેવાય, ક્લેરિફાઈંગ ફિલ્ટર ઓર ડીપ બેડ ફિલ્ટર. And these filters are commonly employed in the water treatment. વોટર ટ્રીટમેન્ટની અંદર જનરલી યુઝ કરવામાં આવે છે. B1 is the filter may be classified according to the method of operation or operating cycles. Like batch operation, it's like a batch filter, second continuous filter. It can be also operating as a continuous filter. Okay. Then C, filter may be classified based upon driving force used for a separation. Driving force, that means external force, pressure, vacuum, okay, centrifugation. So it will be in part of that is a gravity, it may be a pressure, vacuum, or a centrifugal. And in a filtration operation, the filtrate is forced to flow through the filter medium by the virtue of pressure difference across the medium, and the pressure difference may be created by gravity. Super atmospheric pressure on the upstream of the filter medium may be created by gravity. Okay, so therefore filter may be classified, okay, based on the supersonic pressure, and then are gravity filters, pressure filters, vacuum filters, and centrifugal filters. Then industrial cake filters are usually classified below. Batch, that means a discontinuous pressure filter, જેની અંદર આવે છે ફિલ્ટર પ્રેસ એન્ડ પ્લેટ એન્ડ ફ્રેમ ફિલ્ટર પ્રેસ, અથવા તો પ્રેશર લીફ ફિલ્ટર્સ. બીજું કન્ટિન્યુઅસ પ્રેશર ફિલ્ટર, તો એની અંદર આવે છે પ્રેશર ફિલ્ટરની અંદર થિકનર કન્ટિન્યુઅસ રોટરી પ્રેશર ફિલ્ટર. ત્રીજું છે બેચ વેક્યુમ ફિલ્ટર, એટલે કે વેક્યુમ નસ્ચીસ એન્ડ વેક્યુમ લીફ ફિલ્ટર્સ. Fourth one is the continuous vacuum filter, તો એની અંદર આવે છે રોટરી ડ્રમ ફિલ્ટર્સ અને વેક્યુમ પ્રિકોટ ફિલ્ટર્સ. And the fifth one, centrifugal filters. This one is operating in the batch as well as continuous. So suspended basket centrifuge, top driven or bottom driven, and this one is a continuous filtering centrifugals. And then the most important cake filter, which will be referred as a plate and frame filter, rotary drum filter, and basket centrifuge. So these are the main uh, cake filters which is mainly used in the industry. Okay, so the most important is cake, plate and frame. Okay, and then in the next lecture we discuss there is an pressure filters, then primary sand filters, okay, and rapid sand filters. All these types of filters we discuss in the next lecture.